What's going on, guys? Virux here bringing you guys another vlog. I've actually been having lots of fun at making these vlogs. They're just so I don't know, they're entertaining for me to make, and they're really I don't know, you guys have really been enjoying them. I've been getting a good amount of support lately on them, so I think I might consider becoming a vlogger instead of a COD nerd. But anyways, today we're gonna go get Rabie. We're gonna go see his computer. I believe he already got the RAM he needed, 32 gigs of RAM. It's crazy. Yeah, he told me that. And what else? I think it's time to boot his computer. I think he has everything, and he got the hard drive outs of the other computers, so that should be good. We're gonna go pick up Alexis. We'll see what we do today, and I'll see you guys in just a second. There he is. There he is. And we stopped at a McDonald's, dude. We out here. We actually just fucking came up on this food because I only had $3. I wasn't gonna eat anything. I was gonna eat 2 McDoubles, that's it, but then there was like some deals and I don't even know what the fuck happened, but all I know is that it came out to be like 9 something. I only had $3, he only had 5. See, this is a good thing about keeping change in your car, is that it comes in handy. I had a good amount of quarters here, and yeah, got my food. But turns out Rabie's actually working, so we'll see. Maybe we'll go see him later or something.
Gang gang, next Saturday, bitch.
Next Saturday.
Beep that out.
No, I won't.
Oh yeah, no. I need to stop.
Bad influence.
I need to stop. Don't be like
bad influence. No, but next Saturday we're actually leaving to Texas. Insane. Holy shit. Me and this kid, we're gonna do it big out there.
Of course, that's the only way we do it.
Exactly. Next CEOs of Google right here, dude. We out here. Gang gang.
Ready, set, go. Yeah, gotta give credit to God, but I did this on my own. Yeah, Playboy card, what's your religion? He said
we need to lose weight, but Texas, man.
you don't wanna swim die alone. And on the real, that nobody really wanna die alone. And they really hate on me to get me on my zone, but they cannot get me on my zone.
Alright guys, we've been chilling out here, like we're done with our food and everything, and this man showing me a YouTuber that gets stung by insects. That's actually so sick, but it's interesting, but it's so weird. Like,
What the hell? Like, it says 0 seconds and
Illuminati, bro.
I know, I am the Illuminati.
What is this guy called?
Here we go again.
Brave Wilderness.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And he gets like stung, bitten, like by a bunch of like random animals, insects, and like things.
That's crazy, dude. I like it, though. Dude, it looks like TV quality is actually so sick. We just got to Rabie's house, and everything is in there that we need, but it's not turning on. I had a feeling this is gonna happen. Our friend Offensigo told me this as well. We need to see what the problem is, and let's figure this out real quick.
I am literally in the air right now, wrapping up a store. This first class, I am so new at this. Used to ride a metro, let us hit this retro, like the infrareds on my.
I gotta plug the power again.
Take this shit out.
Gotta plug the power.
Unplug, you mean? Look at Raging Rabie.
Damn, Rabie, I've never seen you like
And
this.
then look, we got Offensigo in here.
Hello, familia. Anything you want to say?
Alright, we're actually gonna go meet this kid in real life. No, what? No. Did you hear him?
What?
What did he just say?
Nothing.
No, what did Offensigo just say?
What?
Yo, Alex is a stupid.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
okay, where is it?
Huh?
Yo, Slim, you gonna let him get away with that?
Look. Who's you guys, bro? It's all Rabie.
Nah, dude, it was Fernando. Dude. It was Fernando.
We weren't even here.
No, but you were here. You were chilling, munching on my fucking veggies.
Yo, Rabie, why you so mad today?
Cause I spent fucking 12 hours on this shit, still not done.
Damn.
Today. Bro, you suck a CS and I don't say shit like that.
What did you just say?
Talking about you wanna work, motherfucker, kick rocks. I am on a come up, headed to the top, reppin' MD, and never will it stop. Me and the crew, visa, visionary, what it do? Step to the mic, lyricism, and so we go hard. Only on campus when I wanna study abroad.
What grade are you in?
Don't do your homework then, be like me.
Yeah, except like.
I think he's a sophomore. But he's in like all hard classes, of course.
#1 album, worldwide.
Wait, what that?
Nah.
What subject? Oh, fuck that shit. We failed that shit.
Algebra 2?
Yeah, we failed that shit.
I failed it twice.
I failed the junior year and senior year. Because I never showed up to class, to be honest. That's the only reason.
Here, from this side. From this side.
I just never showed up to class.
You really didn't, bro. You and me never did.
I didn't graduate.
I know.
And I took my test. Well, I'm good. I'm good, dude.
But I didn't show up because I was lazy.
I don't show up because I don't want to, bro. I'll always just stay in this bed like, yo, mom, fuck school. I don't need that shit. I would dead ass serious. I would say that to her.
See, I just didn't show up because I don't know.
Reset power. Power LED and HDD LED. Okay. Fuck, dude, I hate this.
Now you said I have fun for 12 hours straight. What if I was pissed on the fucking phone?
Plus.
Yo, what is this beeping light?
Negative.
It's running out of battery.
No.
Let me see.
Just kidding. I wanted for her to be like, what? Out of battery already?
HDD. Plus.
Yo,
High definition.
Fensico.
Yo,
Did you hear about the
Oh shit, I'm not lying. This time is actually beeping.
Did you hear about the new CS update?
what is it?
They're gonna replace the C4 with a Galaxy S7.
Ah, stupid. I get it.
Oh no.
Kill yourself.
So do you plant that shit? Boom, put her phone down.
I got an empire of emotional sports and me cruising in my go-kart. I'm Warhol.
There we go. I think I just got that.
Wow, and I missed the shot because Robbie's putting that on.
Oh my god, rabies.
Hey, you better put that on tight because I don't want it to fall. No, never mind. No, don't put it on. Don't put it on.
Robbie breaks my camera, I break his computer.
No, don't put it on. Don't put
Look
it
at
on.
this. No, it's actually pretty good, bro.
Because if it falls, I don't. Hey, check
It
it.
shouldn't fall. Let me see.
Doesn't
Did you
fall.
scroll it in properly?
Yeah, just scroll it in
Just
more.
check it,
Because you're
check it,
starting to
check
scroll
it.
it in more. Look at this. It's perfect, huh?
Yeah,
Sick.
should be good.
It's easier on you.
There we go. There we go. And now I got a ghetto gorilla pod. It's not ghetto. It's actually kind of better because it's metal instead of the little. But I mean. Oh snap! Look, we got a Fensico over here. Head ass.
Hey, does it have chicken?
Hey, is that a G7X?
Nobody likes beef.
What is that?
It's a Sony A5100.
He just said Sony. Kill myself.
Oh, it is chicken.
Alright guys, check it out. Check it out. So, I just connected some pins and I think I did it right. I'm pretty sure I did it right, but we'll see if I did that right or not. But so far this is the computer. It's looking freaking snazzy. Yo, hold this.
Go with you guys.
Let me show them the RAM. Here's the 32 gigs of RAM. What kind of RAM is it?
The same one I gave you, PNY.
PNY. PNY is good. Computer's looking really nice.
So aggressive, Tony.
Dude, I've been on this for... Dude, you don't get that shit out of my face. Don't let me turn into Kanye. Get that shit out of my face.
Kanye, Robbie West.
Word of fucking God, bro.
Oh man.
I'll fucking...
Robbie West?
Robbie West.
no,
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Robbie West.
I'll fucking shoot you, I swear to God. I'll shoot your ass.
Hey,
dude,
call it.
this is a clip that works. This is a clip that works. I'll shoot your ass.
Yeah, we're gonna go nowhere. I'm gonna go for the chicken.
Alright guys, let's
Hey, what do you have in your mouth?
let's work on this. Are you actually shooting?
Robbie, get that, there's something in his mouth. There's something.
Ready? Let's go. Down.
Look, he has something in his mouth. He has something in his mouth, bro. You're gonna choke his ass, bro.
I held him by his legs.
He has something in his mouth.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and keep working on this and I'll see you guys in a second. Let me try this, Oh.
Almost.
I was just going for that.
That was my first, like,
Robbie, let me
try,
see.
like, ever.
Robbie.
To do that backwards.
Well, fucking
Robbie.
does that perfect. Here, watch.
Robbie, let me see.
Wait.
What are you doing?
I think
You wanna
it's
fuck up your graphics
Look, let me
card,
see.
brush is just in the ground.
Watch. Watch out. First try. If I get this first try, you gotta say I won the the little Uzi challenge. Oh, I thought I was gonna get it.
I'm dead.
You lost it sort of random, dude.
I did it.
Yo, put in your fucking thing, bro. it turns on. It worked. Now the fans. Connect the fans now. Connect the fans and then the graphics card, and it should all be good.
No, didn't have to connect this little bitch.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. The USBs, the fans, the graphics card should be good.
I need light.
It's right there.
Ow!
Well, but how should I see it's like that?
You put it there.
All right, there's stuff labeled fan 1, fan 2. It doesn't matter where they plugged in. As long as it's fan, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there's THA fan 1.
We still got your boy Offensico over here helping us through the FaceTime. Feel me?
Came in the game on a mission. Fuck you and your recognition. Bitch, I don't miss it. I probably won't kiss it. You gotta be here, fuck around, make it dizzy. Lyrics so crispy. She got me on play on the pill in the kitchen. I already hit it. Don't fuck with my.
This is even audio, dude. Ow. Hey.
Yo.
Dude.
What's up there, cuz?
Bitch, I'll pull off the knife on you. I think it's like a knife. Just stop recording us. Bitch, get off your break my computer. You're paying for that shit. Yeah.
Piss on it. Piss on it.
Fernando, you know I think disliked your video.
Same. Oh my god, bro. This guy. But yeah, same. Cause I know he saw it. Cause he liked the tweets. And every time he likes a video, it tweets it out.
Here with Tony Rabie, and after 2 full days, I think Rabie has it, boys. He's gonna turn it on right now and see how it works.
Damn it!
And of
This
course,
is why I told you not to fucking put that.
Wait, we gotta see what it is.
Robbie doesn't listen. Dude, all it is the fan hitting the freaking wire.
No,
yeah, it's hitting the
Yes, it
wire,
is.
bro.
Yes, it is.
Trust,
Yes, it is.
look, it's hitting the
Turn
wire.
it off, you dumbass.
No, wait, I gotta see.
It's gonna get stuck in the fan
Oh,
wall.
I know what it is.
And this is how you fuck up a computer, guys.
Dude, I can't see.
You
the
told
fucking
him.
button.
You told him.
Patience, I'm really unlimited. Baby, why you acting sensitive? I'm high as fuck, high up.
Alright, guys. Attempt number 3. Ready? That shit looks sick. All the fans are working, right? All of them?
Here, let me see. Let me get a shot.
Even the power supply, all the fans?
Everything's right.
These fans?
Yeah,
Yeah.
turn it on, bro.
Alright. Alright. Turn on the monitor. Whichever monitor you connect them. Looks so sick.
Yeah, no, it's
Jelly.
over here. Here, let me get out.
Alright. We're gonna wait a little bit real quick. We're gonna call Offensico and see if there's something we should know. Because we kind of experimented building this computer. We really, me and Robbie, we didn't really know much about building computers.
You've reached my voice message. So what that means is either I'm in class right now, so obviously I can't answer the phone, or I just don't want to talk to you. So, yeah, leave a message if you're
We'll ring once.
in
So,
2002.
dude, just tell Thomas Robbie. Thomas,
Yeah.
Alexis. So just say it's
I
Fernando.
know.
We're gonna call Offensico real quick and then we're gonna figure this out.
Nobody checks.
And whenever it boots,
Text.
I'll show you guys. I'll be back.
Explain what's happening.
I'm gonna sue this kid.
Explain what's happening.
Sue him.
Yeah, explain what's happening.
Can I get my card? Can I please get my card? Can I get my card?
So Fernando's not moving because he thinks the dog is gonna bite him.
I'm not holding him. Here, now you just go for it.
You ain't down to get your wallet.
I'm not.
He's not allowed.
I am.
Go.
Which wallet? Never mind. I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
Exactly. Fuck you, Robbie.
I'm not moving. Yo, chill. Oh, chill. Just zooming in.
Look at crazy rabid dog, bro. Fuck
He
that.
thinks you're gonna hit me, that's why.
We're not gonna hit you. I'm trying to get my shit, man. Light skins.
He thinks that's a gun too.
Light skins be like.
Okay. I don't know why. Okay, look, as long as I don't laugh or make a sound, he doesn't know shit.
Chill.
Shit.
Get the fence before you.
God Alright, stop. I'm
gonna bring my car.
Motorcycle, you idiot.
My car, you dumbass.
Chill, Tony.
Tony's threatening us with his dog.
This ain't a fucking. Chill. Hey, chill.
Hey, I got this shit. Make Fernando.
I'm trying not to move because this nigga is gonna attack me.
Feels the feels of this shit might give you chills.
He's biting me! He's biting me! Look! He's biting me! He's biting me! He's bit my foot! Stop. Look at this. I literally just have the beanbag right here, dude. Fuck that, dude.
Bro, he bit me.
This nigga got a rabid dog, bro.
I calmed it down.
His claws were in my.
Yeah, I know. I saw that, bro.
Yeah,
Dude, he was holding on to his foot with his mouth, bro.
Oh, that hurts.
Oh my.
He's gone.
Oh, fuck that.
Chicken. Oh shit.
No.
Yeah.
Nah, yes.
Yes. He ripped my foot. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
He's crying a little bitch.
Fuck that. Hey, stop. Alright, guys. This is pretty much the end of today's vlog. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like if you guys did. Check out my social media down in the description box. And yeah, as always, Virux out.